Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding Savitribai Phule Pune University, which is among the best universities of India. And Savitribai Phule Pune University, World University Ranking, Savitribai Phule Pune University, 541 to 550. Savitribai Phule Pune University has been ranked number 2 among the universities in India. NAC re-accredited at A+ level. Status of university with potential for excellence by UGC Delhi, DD Pers sponsored university. So it's a reputed university and NAC accredited A+ grade university, accredited with grade A+ national assessment, accredited A+ by NAC. So in this video, information regarding National Assessment and Accreditation Council has ranked Savitribai Phule Pune University A+ grade. So in this video, information regarding Savitribai Phule Pune University Master of Public Health MPH course will be given. Master of Public Health MPH course 2025. Important dates. This is the information regarding Savitribai Phule Pune University campus admission 2025-26. So in this video, information regarding Savitribai Phule Pune University Master of Public Health, important dates, entrance exam pattern, syllabus, available number of seats, eligibility and other details will be discussed. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for Savitribai Phule Pune University Master of Public Health entrance exam and other universities like CUT, PG, AIMS, JIPMER, NIMHANS, IIPH, Lucknow University, SGPGI, KGMU, and for all other university and institutes which conducts public health, hospital administration, and other competitive exams. And for this, if students want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So this is the information brochure for Savitribai Phule Pune University, Ganesh Khend Pune 411007, PG admission section. Website unipune.ac.in. Now this is the information for entrance examination and admission. Candidates shall be admitted to the above program strictly on the basis of the merit in the entrance examination. Syllabus for the entrance examination of each course will be available on the web page of respective university department center school. The online entrance examination OEE will be of 100 marks with multiple choice questions. MCQ, in case of some programs, the exam may include few descriptive type questions. Candidate may refer to the respective department to find out the nature of question in online exam. The online entrance exam paper will consist of 2 sections. Section A, general knowledge, aptitude, logic, comprehension as per the syllabus 20 marks. Section B, subject specific questions as per the syllabus 80 marks. Examination of both the sections will be conducted together. Negative marking system will be applied for evaluation wherever relevant. For every wrong answer, 1/4 of the allotted marks of the question will be deducted. And this is the schedule and conduct of online entrance exam. The schedule of the process of submission of application form and online entrance exam will be as follows. Commencement of filling of online application 12th of February 2025. Last date of filling online application 3rd of March 2025, 11:59 PM. 3rd March 2025 is the last date for filling online application. Tentative schedule of online entrance examination. Postgraduate programs 18th of March 2025 to 20th of March 2025. Undergraduate program 4th of April 2025. Duration of online entrance exam 2 hours inclusive of both the sections. So this is the pattern for entrance exam. And processing fees and mode of payment. Following fees applicable for application of a single course. For candidate belonging to general category 800, for candidate belonging to reserve category 600. Candidates applying for OEE online entrance exam of multiple programs are required to pay the fees separately for each course. Payment should be made online using debit, credit card, net banking, etc. Savitribai Phule Pune University, formerly University of Pune. Details of postgraduate, graduate, integrated, interdisciplinary courses conducted by University Department academic year 2025-26. Name of department, name of program, duration, intake, eligibility criteria. So here Department of Health Sciences courses available in Department of Health Sciences are MSc Health Science, MSc Health Science and Master of Public Health. These both the courses are of 2 years duration. Duration is of 2 years. And available number of seats are 20. Now eligibility criteria for MSc Health Science. So eligibility criteria is same for both the courses, MSc Health Science and Master of Public Health. So this is the eligibility criteria. Eligibility criteria is BSc Life Sciences, BSc Zoology, BSc Biotechnology, BSc Microbiology, BSc Botany, B.Pharm, BSc Nursing, MBBS, BAMS, BHMS, BUMS, BNYS, BSMS, BDS, BPT, BMLT, BSc Foods and Nutrition, BSc Community Health, BSc Paramedical Technology. So this is the eligibility criteria for MSc Health Science and Master of Public Health course. Now I will give you information regarding entrance exam pattern and syllabus. So this is the pattern and syllabus for entrance exam. Department of Health Sciences, School of Health Sciences, online entrance examination, OEE pattern 2025-26, syllabus for OEE, MSc Health Science and Master of Public Health. Format of OEE, format of online entrance exam, multiple choice questions 100 marks, section A general knowledge aptitude, logic comprehension 20 marks, section B subject specific questions 80 marks. Examination of both sections will be conducted together. Questions will be based on the following syllabus. The paper aims to test A. Analytical ability of students, B. Interdisciplinary aptitude, C. Comprehension skill, D. Application of scientific knowledge for a public health challenge. And the syllabus is in Unit 1 Bachelor Degree Level Knowledge of Life Sciences. So in Unit 1 Bachelor Degree Level Knowledge of Life Sciences, Unit 2 General Knowledge of Public Health, Unit 3 General Knowledge on Determinants of Health, Unit 4 Applied Research. So these are the entrance exam syllabus and pattern. And in this video, information regarding Savitribai Phule Pune University Master of Public Health and Master of Health Sciences, MSc Health Sciences courses has been given, and information regarding important dates, entrance exam pattern, syllabus, available number of seats, eligibility criteria and other details has been discussed. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, public health, hospital administration and other competitive exams, and for this if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.